You guys, Larry Guitar 1999 on YouTube. Now I found out what caused it. A stupid ad made me lose my footage. But introducing you the brand new, 1999. This is a C10 Drag Truck. Now, obviously, this bad boy, it's going to be fast. Now, top of it, now I know what's causing it. Now I'm going to have to make some cash. So we will see you in a bit. Alright, now we have enough gold to tune it. What? Come on! Where's that 1,000 horsepower I'm looking for? Yep, that's all I can get. 690 horsepower. I was trying to figure out a way to get 1,000 horsepower, but for some reason it won't let me get it. So, we're going to do a test run. But before we do that, don't even have enough for a set of tires. Should do the fronts too. Alright. Let's hope my drag truck works for this, because right now I'm surprised. I don't know what I'm doing wrong to get 1,000 horsepower, but all I can say is I need to get more gold so I have almost a lot of dyno runs, just so I know I can get things tuned right. Here we go. $155 miles per hour. So now what we're going to do... Now, obviously... Nope. We are going to do... We're going to do a pull test. Which map I'm going to use? I'm probably going to use this one. I know it's winter, and plus, on top of it, I want to see if I can do it. I probably should have put the other tires on, the regular ones I had, because these tires are too grippy. Because I got in the trailer stuck on the one, you know, the section on the road, and the vehicle would pop a wheelie, but it'd spin the tires, but not spin them fast enough to make any noise. So... apparently snow doesn't work well with slicks, I guess. Turn. Come on! No! Fuck! Damn it! Alright. I guess you get the idea. It pulls alright. Was for the stupid damn road if I didn't fall off of it. But like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.